So guys, hello, good morning. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Njeri Kabiru. I feel like this is the angle I should be seated on. So I have these tires that I'm going to make a table. I have some seats that I'm working on, and I want to take you through this process. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I do content around DIY, creativity and handmade, but I also do content around teenage motherhood because I advocate for teenage mothers, and I advocate against teenage pregnancy. That one I have to be so clear. So if you're new here, stick around so that you get to see what I do. And if you're always here, thank you so much. Please do me a favor, please. Today is my birthday. I need your favor. Leave a comment down below what you think, and just would like to hear from you. So let me start this video and enjoy. So guys, this is how I measure. I like how much fabric I need. I try to go step by step. So I usually work with approximation, that's it. But I usually say when you cut this fabric, you rather have more fabric than less fabric. So today I want to show you a trick. This is the top of the tire, this side. So for me, on the top of the tire, I make the fabric look neat, because that's very important. So what I will do, instead of having the fabric pins being seen, we'll put them inside, the way a client won't know what we've done. Let me take you closer. You see what I'm trying to do? Like, I'm putting the pins in behind. So let me show you. Once I'm done, this is how the fabric look like on the top. So guys, this fabric, I've put it all around, and you can see, let me show you here. I have this fabric that I started with, and then I have overlapping fabric. You need the overlapping fabric because when we turn the fabric inside, push it. You see what I meant? Look at that. When you turn that, then you do not have a gap right here. The fabric is overlapping each other. You need that because the tire is circle, and with the circular you just need to have like keenness in it. Yeah, so that's what I want. Now I want to turn the fabric the other side, the other way around. As you can see, I told you, when you put the pins inside, you can't see the pins and it looks neat. So I want to turn the fabric the other side and the tire the upside down, then we pin the other side, okay? It upside down. We have turned it upside down. The next thing I'm going to do is cut off the fabric. So I pull it, and I usually tend to cut past this tire. The reason we are cutting past the tire is that we are going to start sticking it out. The best way to stick your tire is to make sure you pull and pin. I'm not pinning the fabric down here, I'm pinning it on top, and as I pin, I fold the fabric to create good basis where the pin will hold on the fabric, because the fabric is light, So if you do not create a base, like with this fabric for example, let me show you what I mean. I'm folding more fabric, so when I put it and I put a pin, it will stick longer. You can already see the outcome starting to form. Now that you're done with pinning both sides, the bottom, it doesn't look so neat. The top looks so neat, as you can see, because the top is the presentable side, the other side you'll cover it up. Now we are going to work on the board. The board is where we screw the legs into it. As you can see, it's very easy. Then turn the tire upside down. See, the board was going to cover. So that one I used a different beads, a wood bead, to create the holes. Then it was easier to drill through after I already did some holes with a wood bit. Then we were done. Top, and it's simple. It has a storage, it's a table. What do you think? Please leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this project, and do not forget to subscribe and share with a friend and a friend. Until the next video, I'm going to say bye bye. Hope you enjoyed this DIY. You can also book your own table. Make an order. Bye.